Let's see exercise 5.3 on page number 87. First question is list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Here this is a spinning wheel to A, B, C and D. So all total there are 5 outcomes. So what are the possible outcomes? A, B, C and D. These are the possible outcomes. Means if you spin it, the pointer is going to stop either at A or B or C and D. 2 times A, but we have to write only 1 time. So the possible outcomes are A, B, C and D. Now second one, tossing 2 coins together. When you toss 2 coins together, there is a possibility that you get both heads, one head and second one tail. First one tail and second one head, and the last possibility is both the coins will show tail. So these are the 4 outcomes. Now coming to second question, when you throw a die, list the outcome of events. Means what all things can be seen on the die. A prime number. So you know there are 3 prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. I discussed in the video also. There are 3 prime numbers on a die. So the possible outcomes are 2, 3 and 5. These are the possible outcomes. But what is the probability of getting a prime number? Total is, there are total 6 outcomes. Out of that 3 are prime numbers. So the probability of prime number becomes 3 upon 6. Not a prime number. So which are not prime numbers? 1, 4 and 6 are not non-prime numbers. And what these are outcomes. And if probability is asked, the probability will be 3 out of 6. That is 1 by 2. A number greater than 5. On a die, the number greater than 5 is only 6. So the outcome is only 6. And what is the probability of 6? 6 is just one outcome. So its probability becomes 1 upon 6. Okay. Number not greater than 5. There are 4 numbers which are not greater than 5. 5 we don't have to consider. So there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are not greater than 5. And these are the list of outcomes. This I have listed. But if probability is asked, then 4 out of 6. That is 4 out of 6 you have to bring it to reduced form. It will be 2 upon 3. Now see this question. Find the probability of the pointer stopping at D. In question A. 1A. What is the probability? D is only one time out of total. How many outcomes? 5 outcomes. So what is the probability? Here they are asking probability. So probability is 1 out of 5 because total there are 5 outcomes. So 1 out of 5. What is the probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards? In a deck of 52 cards, there are how many ace? 4 ace. So what is the probability? The probability becomes 4 out of total 52 outcomes. You have to bring it to reduced form. So it will be 1 upon 13. Always you have to bring to reduced form. Coming to this one. Probability of getting a red apple. See this figure? How many green apples are there and how many red apples are there? If you see, there are 3 green apples and 4 red apples. Okay? And total how many apples are there? 7. They are asking probability of getting red apples. So total 4 out of 7. So that is the probability. Simple. But you write properly in your notebook. We are just discussing these questions. Number 1 to 10 are written on separate slips and they are put in a box. One slip is to be taken out from the box. So what is the probability of getting number 6? there is only 1 6 out of the 10. So probability is 1 out of 10. Getting a number less than 6. Now how many numbers are there less than 6? There are 5 numbers which are less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These all are less than 6 out of total outcome 10. So 5 upon 10, that is 1 upon 2. Bring it to reduced form. Getting a number greater than 6. How many numbers are greater than 6? 4 numbers. 4 numbers are greater than 6. Which are they? 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 4 numbers. So 4 out of 10 is the probability. And bring it to reduced form. So you will get 2 upon 5. And what is the probability of getting 1-digit number? There are 9 1-digit numbers from 1 to 10. So the probability becomes 9 upon 10. So this one, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors. How many green sectors? 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. So total how many sectors are there? 5 sectors. What is the probability of getting green sectors? 3 out of total 5. So probability of getting green sector is 3 upon 5. What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Blue is 1. All remaining are non-blue. So total 4 are non-blue. 3 plus 1 red, 4. 4 non-blue out of total 5. So what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? It is 4 upon 5. Question 6 I already discussed while doing question 2.